Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'll be teaching you guys how to fix the camera of your laptop. So guys, this is what you have to do. When this thing shows up, you should first go to the camera privacy settings. And check whether you have allowed this one and allowed camera for each and every app. And if it's done, the second thing, if the camera is still not working, you should do right click on the start button and go to device manager, and now go to camera, right click on it and update driver. Search automatically for updated driver software. So in my PC it's already installed and it's up to date. So if it is still not working on your device, you should do right click, uninstall device. Don't click this, just uninstall it, and then go to action, scan for hardware changes. Wait a second and the camera is back and it's normal. Nothing to worry guys. And if it's still not working, all you have to do is go to the internet and externally get a camera driver by typing the model name of your laptop, and you have to do right click, update driver, and go to browse my computer for driver softwares and select what you install and run it. Then that would work guys. But if your device is still not working, you have to go to camera. Guys, this is the most common but the most stupidest thing. So guys, what you have to do is, there is a key in your keyboard which shows a camera which is strike through. So you should have to click it and the camera would work. In my PC it's F10. So guys, check yours, and if this thing works, please let me know in the comment section guys. So thank you very much for watching my video. If you like the video, like it and subscribe my channel. Hit the bell button to get updated on more facts like this. Thank you guys. See you later.